Yazi uke wathi umculi thizeni cela ngaphinda aqhathaniswe noKhuzani ngoba yena usekwelinye izinga. I totally agree, ngiyavumelana naye. Indeed baphila kumazinga angafani. uKhuzani is on another planet. uKhuzani nisezomthuka, nisezomtrendisa kananjalo, nisezo-researcha futhi yazi if ibikhona i-award ye-best researched artist uKhuzani bezoyiwina leyo award because niyampromota. Just know uba konke enikwenzayo as long ni-type Khuzani, yeah, it's best for him. I-award ye-best male artist award kuma-summer 31 uKhuzani ukhona and he might as well win it. And as things are, nikhumbule it is possible uba uKhuzani ayiwine because in USA you say winning the same award, so uzovinjwa ngubani eSouth Africa. Lo mjida is very smart and usewina izinto ezinkulu kakhulu phambi kuyenu nimbuka, because all you know is uba kumasikandi funeke nithukane nabaculi. Izinto anizazi, anifuni futhi ukuzazi. Umuntu uzayikholela into funeka ivele kumuntu amthandayo namsapotayo. Ku-right ke ukubuza nokuresearcha but not nje like ngenjongo zoba mhlawumbe usenza ngokomona. It's only for knowledge, so nina you only know uba kuya-researchwa only nguKhuzani and nisezoqilazeka kakhulu ngaleyo nto leyo, nisezoqilazeka. uKhuzani unominatiwe kwilento kwi-Summer Award 31 and lama award awu-2 njengoba bewu-2 nangabe USA nalabo nominate kawu-2, i-best male artist ne-best album of the year. Futhi ke niyayazi nani umlando uba ambalwa amathuba apho uKhuzani angeke awine khona if eqathiwe. Bonke abawine indondo nani niyayazi suba uKhuzani engekho phakathi kwabo. So i-song of the year ne-record of the year and so on, niyayazi ukuthi uKhuzani if ebekhona enye yazo or both of them apho kukho khona igama likaKhuzani nani niyayazi, especially ke kwinto ehlangene nokuvota bovela ukhohlwe nje. So yeah, silinde mhlawumbe kungenzeka ukuthi sithi Khuzani ngo-2025 uwine indondo eziwu-4.